Good day everyone, my name is Ralph Angelo Aitaginder from TW191-1. In this presentation, I will discuss Neuralink, one of the most innovative technologies in the field of ICT. As technology continues to evolve, scientists and engineers are finding new ways to improve how humans interact with computers. One of the most exciting development today is the brain-computer interface, or also known as BCI. Neuralink is a company that is developing this technology with the goal of creating a direct connection between the human brain and computers. This technology has the potential to change the future of computing and improve the lives of many people, especially those with physical disabilities. So what is Neuralink? Neuralink is a neurotechnology company founded in 2016 by Elon Musk and a team of scientists and engineers. The company's goal is to develop a brain-computer interface that allows computers to receive and interpret signals directly from the brain. The main idea behind Neuralink is to create a system that will allow people to communicate with computers using their thoughts, instead of relying on keyboards, mice, or touchscreens and voice commands. User may eventually be able to control devices directly through brain activity. Today, Neuralink is still under development and human clinical trials are already being conducted to test technology and its effectiveness. To understand how Neuralink works, we first need to understand how the brain communicates with the body. Normally, when a person wants to move an arm, the brain creates electrical signals. These signals travel through the nervous system and are sent to the muscles, which then perform the desired action. Neuralink works in a similar way. However, instead of sending the signals to the muscles, the technology detects these brain signals and sends them to a computer. The computer then interprets the information and converts it into commands. The system uses tiny electrode threads that are implanted into the brain. These threads record neural activity and transmit the data wirelessly to a computer. Special software then translates the signals into actions such as moving a cursor, opening apps, or typing messages. So what can Neuralink impact on the computing industry? Neuralink has the potential to revolutionize the computing industry. Today, people use keyboards, mice, touchscreens, or voice commands to interact with computers. Neuralink could introduce a new method by allowing users to control computers directly through their thoughts. This technology may lead to the development of new software, hardware, and more advanced ways for humans and computers to communicate. While Neuralink offers countless and exciting possibilities, it still faces several challenges because it requires brain surgery. There are potential health and safety risks. There are also concerns regarding privacy, security, and the ethical use of brain data. Well, despite these challenges, Neuralink has significant future potential. It may help people with paralysis communicate and control computers using their thoughts. In the future, brain-computer interface could improve accessibility and create new ways for humans and computers to interact. So in conclusion, Neuralink is a revolutionary brain-computer interface that creates a direct connection between the human brain and computers. By allowing computers to interpret brain signals, Neuralink has the potential to transform the ways humans interact with technology. It could revolutionize the computing industry, improve accessibility for people with disabilities, and contribute to future medical advancements. Although it is still under development, its impact on society and computing makes it one of the most promising technological innovations today. Thank you.